spoil ko na po yung buong movie.
Ano wag naman?
Hindi. Siguro ang pinakamababaon ko dito sa buong movie is sobrang importante ng bond nyo outside of the camera. As in, sobrang napalapit yung loob ko sa kanilang lahat. Even outside even wala sa set. Ramdam na ramdam ko na mama ko si Inay, na silang lahat mga kuya ko. And sobrang important pala talaga yung relationship mo with them. Kasi may rehistro siya sa camera. And eksena, ang dami eh. Pero ang dami talaga, parang sobrang dami. Pero super na-enjoy ko yung mga eksena na kumpleto kaming pamilya. Kahit mabigat yung eksena, even after nung take, okay, pakalamayin natin yung isa't isa, tatawa kami.
Actually, nung pumunta ako sa set, parang kalmado niyo naman.
Yeah.
Off-cam, nagkatawanan ko rin. Nagkat sa direct.
Pero pag on the set na, yun na.
Yes.
Naka-transform na kayong lahat.
Naka-transform na.
Okay. Kung siya magtanong, do you have a microphone na pwedeng iabot kay Alan? Meron? Okay, sige, abot natin kay Alan Sancon. Justin Pehal, please, paabot natin yung question. Alan is from Stars Photog. Ito, magkatanong siya. Okay, ito na lang. Alan.
Ayun po, congratulations again. Yung question ko for Bel, you're the youngest dito sa movie, di ba?
Yes po.
So, hindi ka ba, kinabahan dun sa mga ka-eksena mo personally? At kanino ka pinaka-kinabahan dun sa lahat?
Naku, totoo po ng reaction ko po dito nung nalaman ko yung project na to. Kinabahan po talaga ako. Siyempre, ang uhusay po nilang lahat. Diba? Parang sabi ko, pero more than that, parang mas nagkaroon po ako ng lakas ng loob para mas galingan pa. Kasi talagang sobrang nakaka-inspire. Siyempre, ang gagaling ng kasama mo. Bakit mo hindi aayusin? Sabi ko kay Inay actually nung una. Inay, sorry pa, I love you ma. Pero nung una kong na-meet si Inay, sabi ko, natatakot ako kay Inay. Paano kaya? Sabi ko talaga sa kanya, Inay, pwede ko po ba kayong tawaging mama? Yung unang reaction. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, oo naman, nung look test po namin to. And ngayon, anak niya na talaga ako.
And can I, go ahead.
Anak ko si Bel sa puso ko.
Right.
Sa pelikulang to.
Can I just say, bago Alan yung next question mo noon, parang this is so refreshing to the eyes kay Bel. Kasi nasanay kami na napapanood namin si Bel with, Donnie, yung kanilang tandem, kanilang partnership. It's just so nice to see Bel working with the legends. With Inay Maria, with Piolo Pascual, and refreshing din to work with Juan Carlos and Joshua Garcia. Na I feel like Bel is no longer a Gen Z rising star. For me, Bel is now a Gen Z superstar. Nagpa-flashback sa isip ko now, that day that I went to Star Cinema office na nag-uusap kayo ni Direk Cathy. Doon yung una nating binrake sa kanila na you're doing this big solo project. Bel.
Yes, and it's truly such an honor po to be able to work with, of course, these artists that I really look up to in the industry, and of course to Star Cinema. It's such an honor to be able to do this project, and it's ang ganda-ganda ng mensahe nito, and just to be able to be part of the cast itself. Sobrang nakakataba po ng puso, and pinagpapasalamat ko po yun.
Thank you, Bel.
Thank you.
Alan, your next question?
It's supposed to be, my question is for Direk Cathy, pero tanong ko na lang kay Inay Maria. Opo. Follow up ko lang po yung sinabi ni Bel kanina. Naramdaman niyo po ba na doon sa mga first scene niyo ni Bel, kinabahan siya? And how do you, kumbaga, pinakalma siya? At paano sinuportahan po yung eksena niyo together?
Papaguhin ko lang yung kinabahan siya. Wala siyang kaba. Wala. Hindi ko nakita yun. Ang nakita ko yung mga mata niya eh. Mga mata. Ganda-ganda ng mata. At saka, isa pa talagang natural siyang umarte. Totoo ang arte niya. Hindi siya umaarte. Totoo lahat yung pinakita niya. Genuine lahat.
JK.
That's why I said, anak, mahusay ka, ano mo ngayon? So, ipaghusay mo pa para mas mahabang para makita ng mga fans mo na nandito ka sa industriyang ito. Ay, ilan ka ng industriya.
Alam niyo po ba, share ko lang, first scene ko with Mama, para kasing medyo heavy yung scene. Not really heavy, diba po? Tapos sabi niya sa akin, binigyan niya ako ng tip. Sabi niya, Nak, ibuga mo lahat bago mo ibigay, mas naramdaman mo. And siguro yun yung mga isang lessons ko na mababaon ko. Talagang kailangan, hasta yung paghinga mo, kailangan ako pa rin si Jerry. Yun talaga yung mababaon kong lesson dito, na bawat buong pagkatao ko dito sa buong movie na to, na kailangan ako si Jerry. And I wouldn't do it without the help of Mama.
May sinasabi si JK.
Wala. Sakto yung music.
Ano sinabi ko? Ay, oo, hindi. Kasi naka-work ko na si nagsasend comments din kami dito habang nag-uusap sila na naka-work ko na rin si Belen. Parang working with her now, I personally feel super proud of what she's achieved, and magaling. Magaling yung punso namin. Sobrang.
Pambato namin yan eh.
Pambato namin yan.
Alright, Alan?
Thank you, MJ.
Okay, ganun. Next is si Chad. How did this film change your perspective on saying goodbye or moving on in terms of your relationship with your family?
Hala, di kasi feeling ko, di ko rin pwede i-spoil, no? Oo, bawal. Talk to my lawyer na lang po.
Ay, grabe po. Pero how did it change now? How did this film change your perspective?
We did this particular scene. Okay, sige. We did this particular scene, magkakasama kami lahat. Maybe sa may bandang, medyo papalapit na sa dulo ng pelikula. So medyo, okay, doon na tayo. I'm not sure if it really particularly changed anything, the whole concept of saying goodbye, because I don't think anybody wants to say goodbye. I grew up with my Lola, and my Lola's getting older every time. And this whole idea of someone not being there anymore, I don't like it. So actually, as a person, I also don't like saying goodbye in general. I always like saying see you again. So I don't know. Yeah. Medyo mabigat. Pero yeah. Next question siguro.
No, totoo naman.
Mabigat siya. Like, just to continue what you're saying, but it's also a release. Diba? It's also a release of emotions. And there's freedom to that. And I think that's when the liberating comes. Diba?
Agree. Next, we have Carl June Canonoy.
It talks about so many topics. Every family is distinct, I would say. Bawat pamilya ay may istorya. And specifically this story, it talks about Mama. And I think that's what differs it. It's our relationship with Mama, it's our relationship with our siblings, and also adding to that, ang dynamic kasi ng characters namin, sobrang daming layers. But when you say it, it's such a beautiful picture to say. And that's what differentiates this film from other family movies.
Maricel, meron po kayong comment.
Okay ka na doon?
Okay na po, okay na.
Alright, maraming salamat.
Ang hirap ng tanong na to.
Who do you want to meet?
Ba't sa akin napunta yung mga tanong mo?
Hindi, sa inyong lahat.
Hindi, who do you want to, is this in general or related to the film? In general, sino gusto ko meet? Hindi ko pa naiisip actually. Sino gusto ko, yung meet, di ko pa sure. Yung who do you always want to greet, maybe, actually tomorrow if I have some free time, I wanna greet my Lola. Kasi matagal ko na rin dinigita si Lola. Ay la, nanonood ka ngayon. Medyo na-busy din, sorry. Libre kita ng tapos. Tapos, yun na naman ang gusto mong sabihan ng bye. Wala. Wala akong sasabihan ng bye. Bahala kayo dyan. PJ.
If there's anyone that I'd like to meet, I'd like to meet again my dad, whom I lost more than 20 years ago. And I always want to greet my mom, wherever she is, whatever she's doing. I always want to greet her and just to make sure that she's okay. And same thing with JK. If there's anyone I'd like to say bye to, wala eh. See you again. See you again.
Nay?
Napapaisip tuloy ako sa tanong na to. Sino bang gusto kong mamit? Si Papa Brad Pitt. Napakalaking ilusyonada ng babaeng to.
You don't know. Baka nanonood.
Oo nga, ano Papa?
Si Brad Pitt.
Ah, diba? Gusto ko siya. Gusto ko yung beauty talaga niya. Eh, sino naman ang i-greet? Sino pa ang i-greet? Siguro yung mga anak ko.
Okay.
Diba? Yun, hindi. Maybe dalawa muna bago na. Diba? So, yung mga
Clingy eh. Clingy itong isang anak mo dito eh.
Oo, ganyan sila. Wala pa yan. Oo, wala pa yan.
Eh yung bye, sino gusto mo sabihin ng bye?
Siguro yung bye, pwede kong sabihin na nung bata ako, marami akong masakit na dinadala. Pero yun ang gusto kong sabihan ng goodbye.
It doesn't have to be a person. Thank you, Nay. Belle? Kasama ka.
Hindi, nagulat ako. Sige, if there is one person, kung pwede, I wanna meet Jerry in real life, my character. I wanna know more about her. Greet, of course, my mom. I always want to greet her. I love waking up with my mom, seeing her every morning. I love greeting her. Bye, wala. Wala akong gustong sabihan ng bye. That's it.
Thank you, Belle. Okay, we're opening the floor